Hello everyone. In this video, we are about to learn how to do table pattern and what it uses. I am explaining this in sheet metal. I have drawn a hole. I am about to table pattern it. Just select a hole, go for editing and pattern. In the drop down list, you could see a table pattern there. In the table dimensions, select the dimension you have to alter. For example, I would like to first alter my x-axis dimension and y-axis. After that, I am going on for an edit table. First, it asks for an index, giving it as an 1. What's the distance for x? What's the one value for x? I am providing it to be in 20, and for y, I am providing it to be in 20. Going on for a second instance, 30, 30. Third, 40, 40. Fourth, 50, 50. While giving it, be sure that you have typed the index values correct. Don't miss out any. After typing all the values, just save it. Then close it. You could see the dots, right? Just go for OK. The table pattern would be instantaneously created. Now, again, if you would like to edit it, you could edit it right there by just entering the values. Much more companies are preferring the table pattern for complex geometries so that they could rework it easily. Okay, guys, that's all about table pattern. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.